In this question, you're given that a line makes 30 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis in the counterclockwise direction. You're asked to find the slope of this line. So if you take the coordinate system, obviously this is the positive x direction, and the line makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. That means the line might be like this or like this. That is, the angle is 30 degrees with positive direction of y-axis, but in counterclockwise direction. That means the positive y-axis is being moved in counterclockwise direction through an angle of 30 degrees. So the required line will be something like this, such that this angle is 30 degrees. Now you're asked to find the slope of this line. So slope of the line is nothing but tan of theta, where theta is the inclination of the line, right? Theta is the inclination of the line. Now what is inclination? Inclination is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So this 30 degrees is not the inclination. The inclination is nothing but this angle. So obviously if this is 30 degrees, so this total angle will be 120 degrees. So the inclination of this line will be 120 degrees. This implies slope is tan 120 degrees, which is equal to minus tan 60 degrees, which is equal to minus root 3. So the slope of the required line is minus root 3. Thank you.